Hello guys, this is Lee from United RC Bros, and today we are out with my newly Nitro converted to brushless Hobao Hyper 7 with some ST parts. It's got an ST bumper and stuff.
It's quite the hybrid. Yeah. Just finished building it.
It's got a aftermarket chassis, it's got some upgrades to the braces, it's got aluminium body posts, it's got carbon fibre steering top plate, it's also got double the thickness shock towers, got some chunky ass wheels, it's got some hex extenders,
which you'll probably be removing for slightly smaller wheels because it's huge.
The aftermarket chassis, which is pretty clean. Got this car for £50 local. I picked it up Nitro. It didn't come with an engine, it only came with
all the upgrades,
fuel tank and all the
a roller.
Yeah, and we just recently finished it. We put a battery tray in it. We put a Cast Creations 2650 kV, a 4S capable ESC because we're only going to be running on 4S for now, maybe 6S in the future, but not yet. We've got a tactic remote which we salvaged from a Armour Granite. We've got a, I think it's 10 kilo servo
from the XTM as well.
Had to, it came with a 62 tooth MT spur, and that was far too big, so this mount was coming out into the middle of the mount, as you'll see in pictures.
We put the XT2 mount in it and we had to modify it.
We had to sand down the outside of the spur gear. Like the outdrive bit, so
just so we could fit the drives in to get the pins into the original diff.
So yeah, and that's what we've done. And we're running right now. We're running a 3S 5000 milliamp 50C continuous, and yeah, we're gonna be putting a 4S in it.
Please explain what happened when you attempted to program the ESC a moment ago.
To program the ESC, basically we had some technical difficulties.
You did.
My arm got a little bit, yeah?
Yeah, he didn't realise he was in the calibration mode, so he calibrated neutral as full throttle. It went full throttle, I had to catch it, and that's what happened to his arm because, you know, he decided to be beyond the back wheels of it. And it wasn't resting on anything, it was on the floor.
And it's also
oh yeah, and if you followed us on Instagram, you would have seen the bright yellow shell that come with this. That's 3S. Let's go. You sure you need 4S for this? This punch is only level 5. I left the punch on the stock setting. I put the brake up to 50 and it's got a drag brake of 40, so it should be very well balanced. Yeah. That flicked some stones and left some smoke. Lost a wheel. I think a wheel nut came undone. Yeah, you lost a wheel nut. As soon as you put it on 4S, it falls off. One wheel nut. One escapee.
Don't go nowhere now.
We might. Hello there guys. So we're going to be running a new buggy on the RC track just over there. Aye. You ripped it off the flipping out. They're pretty crap, aren't they? Just hanging on the end of a screw.
get to about half.
What, and the wheels go nuts? Damn them wheels. Hello there guys, how you diddling? So we're out today at the racetrack again, and we have got, you want to talk about your new funny car?
So we've got this, we've got some Armour Creighton Success wheels on it. We've got the modified shell so that it works. Yeah, it looks like a half a shell at least. It's got air cast operations in it, it's got a heat sink on it to keep it cool. This did have 23mm hexas on it, but we took them off, and they had hex extensions, and we put 17s on them. So yeah, and we vented the tyres. Well, I vented them, as you can see, and taped them inside. So yeah.
This thing's hilarious. And this is 3S.
Yeah.
Yeah, you definitely need centre diff oil. Those front wheels balloon. Thing's a monster. Okay.
Well, guys, 6 maximum speed, and this is my weird looking ugly
Monster beetle buggy thing. Don't know what it is anymore. Right, zeroed out, ignore the max 6 speed, and let's go. I think you're doing more wheelies than anything.
44!
44 on 3S.
Freaking mad.
Not bad for 3S, eh?
Madness. We need to get 4S.
Bad things, bruv. Here
Hello
he is.
there, guys, here I am with my weird, buggy, ugly, truggy thing-a-ding-ding. 46 miles an hour.
He achieved 46 while I went to get the 4S back. I reckon you should show us your turning circle.
That isn't as bad.
Go a bit faster. There's a huge turning circle. I'm on the button record. Are you puffing it? For us. Yeah. You're getting flipping dangerous, Johnny. Right guys, so 3S achieves 46 miles an hour. We are now on 4S. Let's see what this thing can do. Apart from balloon, the front wheels a hell of a lot. Yeah, you definitely need like 5,000. Wheelie! That's not going to help you speed. That's because you ain't got no flipping go yet. You were wheeling instead. All you can hear is the wheels bouncing.
I just can't get it to full speed, the wheels go flipping huge. We're going to stand at the end and we'll see the wheels.
Go on, go, go.
Yeah.
Throttled? Look like it just stopped.
Let's wait a minute for it to cool down. It's the heat.
I don't know, the ESC's probably well up because it's crap.
Feel it. Touch it up.
Still 47, probably do a lot more. Johnny Blinker. Yeah, that's well off. ESC's like a bum on Tuesday.
I'm on Tuesday. What? Wait for that to cool down.
Right, take 2 now it's cooled down. What was your song?
It's going to be like dinner plate. Gonna drink my dinner off of it.
Today! Da-da-da-da. Cue dinner.
Oh.
Well, you might as well go as fast as you can while it's cold. Give you an idea of what it could achieve if the SC didn't poop itself. Way! Really good. You can't get no higher than 47.
That was half on there and it was going phew.
You sure your dial thing ain't right? Oh, that sounded horrible. And that sounds horrible driving it. You might want to go check that.
I think the chassis's broke.
So, Mr. Bender, what's the damage?
Did an amazing backflip, like it was like I could have done 12,000 backflips. It was like, and basically the chassis has bent. I might need to get a brace to be honest, between front and back.
Yeah, it's bent ever so slightly.
I don't think it's ever so slightly.
Yeah, it's a gradual bend. And
it's bent the centre drive shaft, which we could probably hammer back.
I don't know, because of the drive cup at the front. These are a CVD centre, isn't they?
These ones aren't.
Oh no, that one isn't. You'd be alright with that then.
Did you see the backflip that it did though? And I popped off
Yeah, so that's proper bent.
the suspension.
It's alright, that pops straight back on.
And I broke the back bit a little bit more.
It's completely snapped.
But you see, I can just do that. Did you see the backflips that it did? It didn't even like, it weren't even like at full throttle or anything. I could have done like 10,000. It was like
Madness.
Flipping, it was like flipping, what's his name? AS Steve's. It could have done literally. Anyway,
Yeah, so comment below, guys, and tell us what you think he should or shouldn't have done. Or should he just send it? Not if you drive it into you, eh? How's it gonna get? Wheelie! Show off. Well, they both left tyre marks. I'm driving one-handed. I like the way your shell just jumped off. You're not impressed that you actually didn't break your car. You just lost your clips. Just don't rev it up.
Can't see it.